Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Hendrickson Ridge. So I just wanted to get on here real quick. I got a new tool. I'm not doing yard work today, but I do got a new tool I wanted to try out. It's pretty cool. Let me get you off this tripod. And yeah, check it out. It's a Bauer lathe from Harbor Freight. It's got I got the stand, got the meter to read. I got meter turns up. I got the belt in the middle, but yeah, pretty cool. It's got a 1 horsepower motor, and I'm new to turning wood. So I'm just going to try to make like a round dowel out of this. This will be my second time using this. I did make a round dowel earlier. So yeah, just practicing, but love this thing. It's pretty cool. Another tool to my wood shop arsenal. So stick around, check it out. I'm going to try to turn this piece of cedar into a nice round dowel like I did this one here. All right? Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm just going to use a roughing tool. Like I said, I'm kind of new to this. I'm getting there. Pretty cool. Nice and round. Didn't get to the flat spot yet, but we're getting there. Rough around. Because after you use it a little bit, this might loosen up a little bit. So after I use it a little bit, I just tighten this thing up. But yeah, let's keep going. This is pretty cool. try it this way. This looks like. Alright, so pretty good, pretty round. Right? Yeah, I like it. So, yeah, guys, if you're new to turning, this is a nice one to get. It's a little Bauer from Harbor Freight, 1 horsepower motor. Got your digital readout and your speed control. Pretty cool. So yeah, guys, pretty cool. It's gonna be a good addition to my wood shop. So I like it. I obviously got to learn to use it, but man, liking it so far. Any questions? Send me a little message. But yeah, this was definitely a good tool to put in my arsenal. So, have a good day and thanks for watching. Catch you guys soon.